welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to go ahead and talk about the 4 women here on YouTube, influencers, sewists, seamstresses, that actually got me to start sewing. So these 4 women are 4 talented, unbelievably nice but serious women that get things done in different ways. Each one of them, I got a different vibe from them, and they have just, I don't even know these women, and they have just motivated to love the learning process of sewing. So I am going to be doing a series on the person that influenced me to start sewing. And I'm going to sew and make something either off their line or something that they posted in a video that they couldn't stop raving, talking, or showing you how to do. I'm going to go ahead and link all their YouTube channels down in the description box, simply because they really are awesome, and I feel like they are extremely genuine and for real and fun and serious at the same time. And in each video that I show the person and the process of me sewing a pattern or a DIY make or doing a pattern from scratch, I'm going to talk about how they influenced me and how they motivated me. So these are the 4 women. The first seamstress, sewist that I really connected to.
I don't know, this person just, I felt like she was speaking to me, even though she was speaking to like an audience, but we were like this. Even though she didn't know it, we were like this.
The first person that I'm actually going to show on the video coming up is going to be Erin Shields from Style Sew Me, and I'm actually going to sew the skirt for her Janelle skirt. So Eryn is going to be the first one, and she is from Style Sew Me, and she just came out with a new pattern line. So go ahead and check her out. Go ahead and check out her patterns, and if they're your style, support her because she's amazing. The next person that actually motivated me is, I believe her name is Kennish. And I'm actually going to sew, I'm going to sew the sweater because I plan to, but I want to make one of each to represent how she influenced me. So the next 2 people are actually people that I started watching before Eryn and before Lisa, but their garments that I chose to make are a little bit more difficult, and I don't feel like I'm at that level to sew yet, but I'm gonna push through and I'm going to make something out of this, you know what I mean? So the third person is actually Coolirpa. Okay, so that's Coolirpa. She actually posts thrifted transformations all the time, and she goes shopping for old clothes and then remakes them into something she can wear. So I'm gonna go to Savers and purchase a dress, and then that dress, use the fabric and turn it into something that I want, that I think I would wear and I would rock, you know what I mean? So that is going to be for Coolirpa. Okay, this last person, it's still motivating me to continue to sew just because of how she is and how she pushes, you know, and her craft is just so detailed and professional, at least in my eyes, you know what I mean? And her name is Daniela Tobois.
And every time she starts her YouTube channel, she's always like, hello, fabulous DIYers. And I'm just like, yes, I am a DIYer. You know what I mean?
That's going to be the last one because I'm actually going to make a, I'll post a picture of it. So that's what I want to make. And she showed how to do, and she has a whole series on this item.
I want to teach myself the boning, I want to do that cute little thing that she did, and I don't even know what it's called. What is it called? Like a sweetheart bodice kind of thing?
That's what I want to make. And she puts boning in it. She chooses her fabric. She puts an invisible zipper, and I am good on invisible zippers now.
So that's kind of what I want to do.
I feel like I'm rocking in like an 80s. Oh, what am I wearing? I'm actually wearing the first version of the top that I made for Butter It 4126, and I made this top. And I mean, it's all right, you know, it's a little too short for my liking. And then this part, I ended up messing up the neckline.
Just take a moment. Just take a moment, you guys. Just, okay, moving on.
So I'm actually tucking it in, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to cut it somehow. So, and then my headband, I feel like I'm in like the little side strap. So that's kind of what I wanted to talk to you guys about. I've been wanting to do this since January, and I don't know, I've just been really afraid to do it. But I think that this is going to be awesome on what really got me started on sewing. So the recap on all the 4 women, it's Erin Shields from Style Sew Me. Then it's Lisa Kennish from her YouTube channel is called And So On. The next one is Coolirpa, her YouTube channel is called Thrifted Transformations. And the last but definitely not least is Daniela Tobois. I will go ahead and put all of their channels and links down in the description below. Check them out, you guys. I cannot wait to start this kind of 4-episode series and show you guys. Maybe I'll do one episode on just all the fabric that I get for each video. I should just separate it and show you the journey with each one. I think that would kind of work out better. But yeah, like I said, you guys, I've been wanting to do this since January, but I've just been scared to. I don't know, you know. So
the reason why I'm telling you guys is because if I don't tell you guys, I'm not gonna do it. Doing it like this pushes me to really get serious and take it serious and kind of do it. You know what I mean? So
thank you guys again so much for watching. This is kind of like a preview mini clip. Let me know if you guys are interested in this. You know, I really am excited for these next videos. So yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, because si les gusta, if you like it, you know what I mean? Like, and it pushes me to actually upload it. So hit that like button, subscribe if you're new. Thank you guys again so much for watching. If this is your first time tuning into my to this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button.
Hit it! Don't just watch me, okay? Don't.
But okay, you guys, bye.